Hey guys, welcome back to the series of Java programming. I'm here to teach you every concept of Java programming with an example. In most cases, the students know the concepts of Java, but they cannot write the code for those concepts. So in that case, this video series will help you understand each and every concept of Java programming with examples. So let's get started. So firstly, we'll learn the structure of Java. So to start a Java program, the first word we write is the class. So why do we want to start the code with the class? Is Java is an object-oriented programming language, so we need to write every code and whatnot, everything inside the class. So that's what the main reason we need to start the code with the class. And the next to class, we need to write the class name. Remember, the class name should always start with an uppercase letter. So let's say intro. And Java is case sensitive language, so intro starting with the uppercase letter will be different from the intro starting with the lowercase letter. So these two are different, and I'll open the braces here. And next, we need to write the main method. So to start our main method, we need to write a line called like this: public static void main of string args, and I'll open the braces like this. So what are these terms actually mean? So public, this is an access specifier. That means if a method is specified to be public, then the method can be used from any part of the code. It can be called from anywhere. That means it can be outside the class too. And the next one is static. Basically, if a class is written in Java, we need to create an object for the class and call the methods inside the class with the objects which we have created. But in the case of main, we are giving it as static, so we need not to create an object for this class, and we need not to call the methods using the object of this class. So if you did not mention the main class to be static, then you will get an error. And giving the main as static will also save the unnecessary wastage of memory because we are not creating an object for the class. And the next one is void. It is a keyword used to tell that the main method doesn't return anything. That means it does not return a int value or float value, something else like that. And then main. It is an identifier that Java searches for in a program. The point where there is a main, it assumes that it is a starting point of the program. And at last, string args and square brackets. This is used to give some command line arguments. So this is the structure of Java programming, and whatever the logic or code you want to write should be inside this main. Alright, let's try to print some text using Java. To print the text, we have two basic statements. The first one is system.out.println. Let me write it here. System.out.println. This is one statement, and the other one is system.out.print. Print. So this is another statement. So these are the two basic statements. We can print some text using Java. So what are these statements do, and what is the difference between these two? While using the println statement, after printing the text, the cursor will move to the next line in the output. And if you use the print statement after printing the text, the cursor will not move to the next line. So let's add some text into these statements. Here I'll say hello world, and here I'll say welcome to the world of Java, like this. So I'll save this with intro.java because the class name which we have given is intro, and we need to write the first letter as capital and the extension is .java. And I'll save this here like this. And to run this, I'll open the command prompt and move to the folder where we have saved these Java files, and I'll say javac intro.java. So first we are compiling the code, so there are no errors. And as you can see here, we got another file called .class with the same name which we have given for the class, which we have given for the program. And to run this code, I'll say java intro. As you can see here, hello world is printed first, and coming to the new line, it given welcome to the world of Java. So that's how we print some text using Java. And that's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.